Hello viewers, I hope everybody is fine. So today I show you a Morio M16 Android tablet. If anytime, any moment, if a touch problem coming, how to use solve. If a touch totally not working, must you open, then you check this touch cable with a PCB connecting good or no. If not good connection, then you fix, then try. If the same problem not working, must need replace touch. So now I show you how to need to open this piece. This tablet back side have a 6 screw. 4 screw is outside and 2 screw inside. So this 2 inside screw how to open. This one I show you. So now I remove already 6 screw. Now I check step by step actually what problem. This touch cable removed to PCB and fixed again. Now I am to try working or no. So still this is not working, so I am to replace this touch. So without touch replace cannot working, so must need touch replace. If replace then it's 100% okay, because I want to fix this new touch. Here I have many screw also, so I want to remove screw, then need all connection remove. LCD connection, touch connection, speaker connection, every connection remove. Then I remove LCD. Without LCD open cannot replace touch. So all connection is removed. Now LCD removed, and LCD and touch together coming, so I replace the touch now. Only LCD no need to change because only touch can replace. If you want a little hot touch outside, can you also use hot gun. If you want to no need hot, without hot you want to remove, can possible also. New touch already fixed. Now is the touch fixed and finished, and now I want to check this properly working or no. So now it's a new touch fixed already, and touch also working now, before not working. When I replace touch, this working is properly. Now no have any problem. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.